Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a gift card on Taco Bell. Open the website tacobell.com, then click Login. Now, enter your email and password. Then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on Gift Cards. Now, select the type of gift card you would like to purchase. The e-gift card is only redeemable online through Taco Bell website or app. While the Taco Bell gift card can be redeemed either through the website, app, and participating Taco Bell locations. But in this video, we're going to buy an electronic gift card. Once you've chosen a card type, select now the design. Click on the particular design you wish to select, then click on Next Step. On this page, you can now personalize your card. First, select the amount and quantity, then enter all the required information. After entering, click on Add to Cart. Lastly, review the order details. If everything looks good, click on Checkout. That's how you buy a gift card on Taco Bell. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.